Tom decided to open a car wash. When he saw how much water he had to use, he was horrified. Tom used all the water in the lake, then all the water in the river. After that, all the water in the sea.
Robert, dealer of Fortador, said to Tom,
"Be more eco-friendly thanks to Fortador's new hot steam cleaning machines. He will be able to save significantly on water consumption and reduce his utility bills. Be more eco-friendly oriented and make more money and seriously reduce your utility bills."
Our steam cleaners and car wash use 1 gallon of water instead of 100 gallons. Eco-friendly modern solution. Now Tom has his own mobile and stationary car wash so he can reach more customers.
Visit the Fortador.com website and open your business like Thomas. We are looking for dealers in your area. Inquire now and earn money with us.
Fortador. Save water and change the world with us.